Alright guys, what's up? It's a brand new day. Still working on the valve train covers. I'm just gonna clean off this little bit of a mess right here. Obviously, like all the way around. Clean up around the sensors. And should be ready for the new gasket and the new valve train covers. So yeah, let's get started. I've been looking forward to doing this. I had to wait like over a week. The parts got here over like 2 days. I got it from Z1 Motorsports, but weather and getting up here, trying to work around my schedule has been a pain. But finally here. I can only do it for 2 hours today because I'm finally getting a haircut. Y'all don't have to see me looking all crusty and all the time anymore. You wanna make sure you want to wipe it out away from the inside of the valve train. You don't want stuff getting inside, obviously. There's things like this that you have to really make sure you get off. Just like the leftover gasket maker, the RTV stuff. You definitely want to get all of that up. And there's some over here too. So I was looking at this valve train. Not a lot of sludge or anything like too scary, but it definitely looks like they didn't change the oil very frequently on this car. Whoever had it wasn't taking care of it. Hopefully a couple oil changes and the valve train will be clean again. For the gaskets, you want to take something like a straight edge or a razor, just something flat and sharp. Also, you want to be really careful. You don't want to like score the aluminum head. You just want to get this stuff off. You're not trying to scratch up the car, but you don't want any on the surface when you're putting new gasket maker on. Could make it uneven or just weird shaped, and then the head gasket or the valve train cover won't go on. I'll bring you guys back when I'm done. I know you guys are probably bored of this. I got the service menu out. It says to put the gasket maker up top as well. That's where I'm kind of not even sure. This is kind of annoying. Nice job. End surface of camshaft bracket. So I'm just gonna put it up here and then cross down there. Hope for the best. I also scored up the exactly. I scored up the block exactly. Like I said, do not be me, because now I'm like gonna be paranoid about this. I just know you're not supposed to score it, so yep. Yeah, let's go ahead and put the gasket seal on there. So I got all the new parts. I already put the gaskets on, the new ones. A lot of people have tricks like tying strings around it or something to keep it from falling off. It seems like when I hold it upside down, it stays in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it to finesse it around this stuff without it falling off. Need to be able to finesse these. Gotta unscrew them. Alright, well, gasket maker pushing with a screwdriver. It's a good day. I'm not feeling so happy with this job just because it's gasket stuff. There's some right there and there's some right there. It's not perfect at all, but they just want it on the corners of the front by the camshaft. So yeah, got the gasket maker on there. Now I'm gonna try to finesse this head on there, this valve cover. This will be the interesting part. Let's see how long it takes. It is 3:48 right now. So let's see how long it takes. What is silicone? It's the worst. I don't even know what time I showed you guys. But it definitely was super frustrating, however long it was, but that's from whatever time earlier to this now is how long it took me. I was able to do it without putting like string around the gasket with or you know, using RTV or something. Definitely not recommended though, because I kept having to pull it out to put the gasket back on because it would just fall off. But I would have went a different way, but I just didn't have string or anything, and you know, just worked with what I got. I'm trying to hurry anyway. Definitely requires a lot of patience, so don't hurry. Just see what I'm doing, but don't do what I'm doing. Yeah, so I got it. So everything's lined up. The gaskets are right as they're supposed to be. I would say the biggest obstacle is getting it around these sensors. I try to pull these out, but they don't. I don't know. It's just I'm always paranoid when I work on cars, so I just didn't go for it by trying to take it out. And then this thing, I want to say it's like an AC air conditioning line, just like a hard line. It doesn't move, and you really gotta finesse it around it. I moved this clip, and I was able to like squeeze it past this right here, but it's really annoying. Like, this was not a fun side. I'm hoping that side is a lot easier. It looks like it. I mean, there's more hoses and stuff, but there's less like hard lines. So I got this one on. Now we have to follow the, all right. Don't mind my face, but first you do it with 16 pounds of torque, pounds per foot, and you do it in this sequence. So first we're gonna tighten it to 16 pounds in that sequence, and then we're gonna do 73 pounds in that sequence. All right, so here we go. And here we are again. It's another brand new day. I messed up the bolt. I put it in wrong. I think I cross-threaded, and then it was cross-threaded, it seized up, and I snapped the head off. So I didn't have the right tools for it at the moment, so I had to go home and try to figure out the plan on getting this bolt out. So I got a drill, needed microfiber tiles bad. I got this extractor set. You put in the drill. I'm gonna use the smallest bit, it's in there. And my nails are super dirty because I work with cars. Yeah, so I got that. And then I don't have a punch, so I had to get this big set just for this punch right here, because I don't feel like going to 18 different stores trying to find what I need. So that'll do. And I got this bolt extractor, which now realizing that's what that is. So I just bought two things for no reason. Hold on a second. Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought I didn't have the drill bit. So this is a left-handed drill bit. Wait a second. No, it's not. It, dog, I gotta go all the way back. Oh, man. Oh my God. All right. It is decision time. Do I just use that bolt or that steel bit instead of getting a left-hand steel bit, which the difference would be the left one does something. I don't know, let me do history research. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. It says it's mainly so you don't torque it tighter into the thread, and I'll just keep an eye on it. If it starts moving, then I'll go get one, and we'll go from there, whatever. But I'm just gonna move forward. That's the tools I'm using today to try to get this out. Let's go.